However, if you have defined pi in a hash defined directive, you only need to make one change in the hash defined directive itself. Hash define pi 1 uh, 3.141592. So we can also define pi in hash define directive. So by using this statement hash define pi 3.141592, we can do that. In short, it is nice to know that you would be able to change values of a constant at all places in the program by just making a change in the hash defined directive. So by making changes in hash defined directive, you can change values of constants. But the same purpose could have been served had we used a variable pi instead of macro template pi. A variable could also have provided a meaningful name for a constant and permitted one change to effect many occurrences of constant. Firstly, it is inefficient since the compiler can generate faster and more compact code for constants than it can for variable. So compiler can generate faster and more compact code for constants. Secondly, using a variable for what is really constant encourages sloppy thinking and makes program more difficult to understand. So using a variable for what is really a constant, it encourages a sloppy thinking and makes program easy to understand. If something never changes, it is hard to imagine it is a variable, and thirdly, there is always a danger that the variable may inadvertently get altered somewhere in the program. That means if something never changes, it is hard to imagine it is variable, and thirdly, it is always danger that variable may inadvertently get altered somewhere. So variable get can get altered somewhere in the program, so it's no longer constant that you think it is. Thus using hash define can produce more efficient and more easily understandable programs. So using of hash define directive is efficient and useful in programs. A hash defined directive is many a times used to define operators as shown below. Hash define and. Now hash define uh, or. So this is an example program in which this hash define directive is used. Now main int f is equal to 1. Now x is equal to 4, y is equal to 90. If f is less than 5 and x is less than or equal to 20, or y is less than or equal to 45, printf /n your pc will always work fine. Else printf /n in front of the maintenance man. A hash defined directive could be used even to replace a condition as shown below. Hash define and hash define arrange a is more than 25 and a is less than 50. Main int a is equal to 30. If arrange printf within range, else print out of range. A hash defined directive could be used to replace even an entire C statement. This is shown below. Hash define found printf your the Yankee Doodle virus. Main char signature, if signature is equal to y, found, else printf safe as yet.